In this Smarty PAD tutorial, we will go through the alphabet category, both Explore Mode and Play Mode. This content has been vetted by educators to ensure a comprehensive learning experience while aligning to standard curriculum. Although you can change categories when the device is on, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will go ahead and set the learning category switch to alphabet and set the mode selection switch to Explore Mode before we turn it on. Now let's go ahead and power on the Smarty PAD using the power switch on the underside of the device. One of the things that makes the Smarty PAD unique is that it randomly selects the images and art as you play, keeping kids engaged.
Hi, I'm Smarty PAD. I'm ready to play with you.
In the Explore mode of Alphabet, Smarty PAD teaches the letters of the alphabet. You will see a letter, hear the sound of that letter, and see an image that starts with that letter. In some instances, the image will also be spelled out through the audio. To move to the next letter, press any button on the interactive display. Let's go through a few letters together.
Let's play with letters. This is an A. Ah. A sounds like apple. Press the letter A. This is a B. Book. B sounds like book. Boat. Press the letter C. This is a C. Cup. Cat starts with C. Cup. Wow. Press the letter C. This is a D. Duck. D sounds like duck. Door. Press the letter D.
Now let's move the mode selection switch to the Play mode while still in the alphabet category.
Let's play Find the Letter.
The first game in the alphabet category is called Find the Letter. In this game, Smarty PAD presents 3 random letters on the interactive display and prompts you to select the letter that sounds like the sound that Smarty PAD makes. For example, find the letter that sounds like B. In this case, you would select the letter B. To choose a letter, simply press any of the lit squares that make up that letter. Let's do a few rounds together.
Find the letter that sounds like M. M sounds like monkey. Find the letter that sounds like X. X sometimes sounds like Z. Xylophone. Find the letter that sounds like Close, but not quite right. Try again. Find the letter that sounds like B, E, E. Bed.
Now let's press the next button to move to the second game in the alphabet category.
Let's play Catch a Letter.
When you see the correct letter, tilt your Smarty PAD right or left to position the basket under the letter and catch it as it falls. It is essential that whenever you are playing a game that uses motion detection, that the device is held parallel to the floor. Only then will it operate correctly. Also, this game gets progressively more challenging as you advance, causing letters to drop faster. Let's do a few rounds together.
It's starting to fall. Perfecto! Catch the letter J. Hurry up. Nice!
Now let's press the next button again to go to the third and final game in the alphabet category. This game is called Match the Letter to the Image. In this game, Smarty PAD will show an image on the interactive display and tell you what it is. Following that, it will ask you what letter sounds like the first letter of that image. 3 letters will be shown, and you need to select the letter that corresponds with the first letter of the image that was displayed. For example, if an apple is shown, choose the letter A. Let's do a few together now.
Let's match the letter to the picture. Say what you see, and then choose the letter that sounds like the word. I see a gate. What letter sounds like G? Gate. G sounds like G. Gate. I see a quarter. What letter sounds like Qu? Quarter. Nope. Try again. I see a quarter. What letter sounds like Qu? Quarter. Q sounds like Qu. Quarter. I see the number 6. What letter sounds like 6? S sounds like 6.
That completes our demo of all of the activities in the alphabet category. Make sure to check out the other Smarty PAD videos for more tutorials.